How to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can redeem a gift card of Fortnite for VBucks to use in Fortnite on any supported device. To use a gift card, you must have a valid Epic account. So go ahead and download Fortnite on a compatible device and accept the applicable terms and user agreement. Review your device maker's term for any additional requirements to play Fortnite. Example, subscriptions, additional fees, etc. Now, visit fortnite.com/VBucksCard terms to read the full terms before purchasing. The card's full face value is deducted at redemption and associated with a single account for the device you select. A gift card can only be redeemed for the indicated amount of VBucks, which may only be used in Fortnite. There are no fees or expiration dates associated with the use of a gift card. VBucks aren't e-money or any other currency and can only be used according to Fortnite rules. Gift cards will not be replaced if stolen, lost, destroyed, or used without permission. Use of a gift card constitutes acceptance of the applicable terms and user agreement. So go ahead and complete these steps to redeem a Fortnite VBucks card. First, visit epicgames.com/fortnite/en-us/VBucksCard. Select Get Started and sign in to your Epic account now, if prompted. Further, select Get Started again and now enter the PIN code from the back of your VBucks card with no dashes. Then click on Next. Now select the Nintendo Switch and then click on Next again. You will then be asked to review the details and tap on Confirm if the Epic account device and new balance are all correct. Open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch system to view and spend your VBucks card. So, this is how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Login Shines, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.